Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off sync profile themes on your account on Discord. On accessibility settings, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now here you will find accessibility, click on it, and now you will find here sync profile themes, and just click like this and this will be turned off. And that's it, that's how to turn off sync profile themes on your account on Discord, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.